Alright, so about one out of every other one does this. This one did that. This one did this. I've been busy. I wasn't paying attention. So, we're going to have to put a brim on it this time. So, anyway. I'm just going to try it with the brim. If that doesn't work, I'm going to clean the build plate. Return. Prepare. Temp. PETG. There's a bunch of these that I want to do. Oh man. So one of these is going to be the Series X. It should be that one. I guess we'll know when it doesn't do it right. I don't know what it is with these little Intac. I think this is actually the one from the computer, or I mean the printer. I should be using that one. This one here, and then I noticed this with a bunch of others. Either like do something weird and you have to like fix them every time. I have this other one here. It thinks it's right protected. It's a DT Micro Duo Kensington or Kingston. Anyway, I have nothing but problems with that thing. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't even get it to work. It didn't work until I formatted it with Rufus. So anyway, but yeah, I'm making the controller back for that one, and I made one for this, and it turned out it didn't have a logo on it. I'd like to see a logo, but it doesn't really matter. Well, you know what? I bet you could sell these damn covers on Amazon. Not Amazon, eBay. But, I mean, I don't know how many people lose them. The reason I don't have any is because these came from thrift stores. So, anyway. I didn't even think about it until recently, and it was like, wait a minute. I probably could find a file and print these. So, there's definitely a bunch of files out there. But what I don't like is nobody's really specific about the two different controllers. This is a 1914 is what they call it. A model 1914. This is something else. This is a model 1708, and this is like one of the original ones that would have came with the old one I have. I have the old one. And that one. We have a in the house we have a Model S, I think it is. By the way, got that hooked up in the record player. I had to turn it off for the video. But yeah. It does this funny thing when it's on loud. So much bass it makes the record player go into oscillation. It's nuts. This thing is not super loud, but it just sounds really good. But anyway. So I have fun listening to that while I'm not listening to this, because it ain't no fun listening to this thing. This thing keeps making a mess, and I need to get in there and clean it. Let's see. So I decided to add the brim, and hopefully I sliced it correctly. Because sometimes they got what they call a skirt, which I just don't really understand. And then the brim I had where it was like actually going underneath it like a raft. And I hope I don't run into that because I don't want to be cleaning up parts. I swear I seriously can't ever get anything done. Like, I'm always doing stuff, and then it's like, I'm up late because I'm trying to get stuff done. And yeah, I'm actually really tired right now, but if I try and go to bed on time, I'm not tired and I can't go to sleep. I lay there and I just basically get nothing done, spend hours. So I don't remember hearing the fan get that loud on this thing before, but maybe some other setting in the slicer. So what we'll do is we're going to cover the door, let it He should, because it's cold outside. I do have the heater blasting in here. The diesel heater is over here blasting. And it's been acting a little weird every once in a while. I'm not sure what it is. And then I've been over here screwing around with Windows XP trying to get this stupid Ribbon game going. It thinks there's no sound or something. So it doesn't like the built-in sound hardware. I don't know what the deal is. I do have a Sound Blaster card somewhere. I'll look for it, probably install it in here and see what happens. That means that with this XP not having like real internet access, you can't just go browse the internet. Like, I can't get it to work. So anyway, this is just a computer that I bought, and it's just for that. So I'm fiddling with that while I'm doing my printing. Just trying to keep an eye on it and make sure I don't have any catastrophic blobs of failure.